Okay, so I got this brushless setup out of that SC10 I only paid 30 bucks for. This is a servo that was in it. I'm going to test it to see if it actually works, because it looked pretty beat up. This is the ESC. I don't know if you can see it, but it says waterproof, automatic, NIM, LiPo, NiCad, brushless or brushed. This is the motor. 15.5 turns, hand wound, Ned magnets, and sports modified by LRP Eraser. I've never heard of it, but we'll find out if it runs. I'm using old trusty 5400 LiPo power 7.4. Just this thing has been through the ringer and back, as you can tell. It's all taped together and stuff, and the balancing leads are broke, but she still takes a charge. So it's just a video to show you that it does work, hopefully. But the only problem with the ESC, as you can tell, is that the power switch has been taken off. So what we are going to do is reattach it. We're just going to, for now, to make sure this runs, I'm just going to put the two wires together. So there we go, you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so I'll reattach these. Sorry, I'm not very good at videos, so hopefully you can tell what I'm doing. Turn the radio on, which it is, and plug in the battery. Hopefully we got a green light to go. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but we got a green light on this ESC. Now the test. First, steering. That should work. Yep. Oh, that servo works. So that's cool. And now the motor. The moment of truth, if you will. Ooh. Seems to be, let me sit that down and hold it up off the table so it doesn't make that noise. As you can see, I paid $30 for this whole car with all the stuff that it came with it, and this motor and stuff works. Now just put an on-off switch on. Thank you.